In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use $10 to make $50 within 24 hours trading on Toark. Hello guys, welcome to Gafsuccess channel. In this channel, we talk about different ways to make money online using your smartphone and your internet connection. If you're new on this channel, this is money making channel. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification button, and also subscribe to this channel so whenever we post correct video on how to make money online, you will be the first to notify. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're a young, vibrant person and you have been trying to go into trading and you do not have any trading experience, Toark is the easiest trading platform that I have ever come across, and I have been trading on this platform for the past 3 to 4 months. Without trading experience, this platform is built and they have already done the technical analysis for you. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you my strategy that you can also implement and use it to navigate on this platform and trade for yourself. Note, this is not a financial advice. As a sit-at-home mom, I earn 90% of my income online. You can do your own delicate research about this platform to work. I'm trading again. You can see invested $5 again to trade, which I'm trading, which you can see is pending. You can see my current balance here have changed, which was $10.75. Now it's $20 because I still make extra gain on my trading. Like I said, this platform is beginners friendly and it's very easy to trade on this platform. You can also join their Telegram group, which I will also drop on the description of this video, and also drop the link, even how to register on Binance, and also drop the group where I train people on how to navigate on this platform if you are willing to learn from me. All right, so on this platform they have what they call 1 minute frame and 5 minute frame, all right, to trade. Okay, so me, I normally use the 1 minute frame to trade, like I record which is the record analysis and the assistant analysis. Okay, so I will use this to know if the trading is going on even, on odd. Okay, this is how the platform is. So I use this record analysis because of the numbers, and also if you click on assistant analysis, you can also see how the trade is going. Okay, that's how the trade is going. So on here, if I click on my history, you can see all the trade I have already put on this platform within the few months I've been trading on this platform. You can see it's countless. Even on yesterday, this is how you can also, if you want to deposit, you can start with minimum of $5. You can see it here, minimum to start with $5. And when you check out some of my trade on this platform, you can see some of it I use $1 to start to test the trade. You can see amount I use on this platform to trade. Okay, sometimes I use $5, $2, $3, so to start on the trading. So that's all about this platform. It's very easy and simple, and note that this is crypto live trading, and you can see it BTC against USDT, and this is live price on the market. And this place I currently having $8 left here because I have withdrawn $50 on this platform, which is on my Binance. I withdraw $50 on this platform, which is deposited on my Binance here. If I click on my notification here, you can see the money deposited for me through Toark, and you can see this message. I have not even opened it yet. Look at it. You can see it. I have not opened it yet. If I click on open, you can see 48 USDT deposited for me. If I click on the overview, you will see how the money is deposited. Okay, so like I said, I have been trading on this platform for a very long time. So all the link of this platform, Binance link, Toark link, and the WhatsApp group link will be on the description below. If you really want me to guide you step by step on how to trade on this platform, kindly click on the link, chat me up. I will give you free access. This is live trading. I will share my dashboard and I will train you one-on-one, as long as you are willing to learn and implement on this platform. Show you how to control both your risk management, your emotional, and everything you need to know about trading on Toark. So see you in my group. Ciao, ciao. Like and share, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed on this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. See you on my next video. Ciao, ciao. Good luck.